Labastide-Rouairoux is a small village nestled in the Montagne Noire, surrounded by lush forests, calm rivers and peaceful mountain landscapes. For centuries, life here was shaped by the textile industry, which transformed the village into a powerful local center for weaving and spinning. Old mills, factories and stone houses still reflect that history today. It's a quiet, welcoming place where nature and heritage meet, offering a glimpse into the traditions and craftsmanship that define the region. Just next to this park, in this beautiful and peaceful setting, stands a fascinating place, the Textile Museum of Labastide-Rouairoux. It tells the story of the village's industrial past and the people who shaped it through weaving and craftsmanship. I highly recommend visiting the museum, or if you can't, stay tuned and watch the next video where I take you inside the Textile Museum of Labastide-Rouairoux. Every summer in Labastide-Rouairoux, the Fête du Fil brings the whole town to life, celebrating both the textile traditions that shape the valley and the creativity of today's makers. For 2 days, the Parc Simonville fills with colors, textures and ideas, offering something for everyone who loves fabrics, crafts or simply discovering new skills. Visitors can wander through exhibitions of patchwork, needlework, weaving and contemporary textile art where traditional techniques meet bold modern styles. Throughout the festival, workshops invite people of all ages to try things for themselves, learning embroidery stitches, crochet, Korean pogagi patchwork, or discovering the art of natural dyeing from diverse cultures such as Bangladesh and others. Beyond the creative side, there is also a lively marketplace, a gourmet fair where local producers share regional food and drink, and a flea market known as the Pousse et Brocante des Couturières, packed with retro fabrics, sewing notions and treasures for anyone who loves to hunt for rare finds. The Salon des Loisirs Créatifs is another highlight, gathering craft suppliers and experts who provide advice, demonstration and materials, turning the event into a buzzing hub for passionate hobbyists and curious beginners alike. The festival also maintains a strong connection to local history through a conference at the Textile Museum, which retraces the industrial past of the valley and the role weaving once played in daily life. Altogether, the Fête du Fil is not just a fair, but a meeting place where tradition, creativity and community come together. It is a chance to celebrate heritage, learn new skills, share stories, and see how a simple thread can connect generation and culture in the heart of southern France.
Là, il y a 200 mètres dans chaque outil.